Hello, welcome to my YouTube channel. My name is Beulah Olarinde. If you're new here, welcome. I'm glad to have you here. In this video, I'm going to be showing you how to deactivate your Fiverr account. Why do you want to deactivate your Fiverr account? Maybe you're tired of using the account or something, then you can deactivate the account. Now I'm going to go to my Fiverr account. I have it here. Just log into your account, right? So the next thing to do, whether you are at the gig area or the dashboard or others, anywhere, or manage sales, just go to this your profile picture here, click it. You're going to get this drop down, click on settings, then can you see that the profile, the email is here, online status. This is account deactivation. So what happens when you deactivate your account? Your profile and gig won't show on Fiverr anymore. Active orders will be cancelled. You won't be able to reactivate your gig. Your revenues on Fiverr, all the funds that you've made on Fiverr, make sure you withdraw them before you deactivate your account. So I'm leaving because choose a reason. They have a number of reasons here. Unsubscribe from Fiverr emails. I want to change my username. If you want to change your username, you have to deactivate your account. I have another Fiverr account or order. Then selling, not getting enough orders. I get too many orders. Fiverr is complicated or hard to use. I'm unhappy with Fiverr's policy. I can't buy what I need on Fiverr as a buyer. Fiverr is complicated or hard to use. Negative experience with sellers. I'm unhappy with Fiverr's policy. So whatever or something else, just choose one of these. And let's say I'm choosing I have another Fiverr account, right? So tell us more. Okay, you might want to type something here. It's optional though. Then I will deactivate my account. Now I'm sure that I don't have any fund on Fiverr. Can you see? Your Fiverr account is closed. You cannot access it again. If you want to go back to Fiverr, you have to sign in. You cannot log in again with the details that you used to open that previous account. Yeah, we have an email here. Your account was disabled. So this is my email. This is the email address I used, and here is an email from Fiverr telling me that as per your request, your Fiverr account was disabled. If you have any questions or concerns, please contact us. We wish you best of luck moving forward. Thanks, the Fiverr team. For more videos, please subscribe and turn on the notification bell so you'll be the first person to know that I just uploaded a video. Thank you for watching. Bye and see you in the next one.